morning. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it is a gorgeous day for a bike ride here in mid-Missouri. I'm taking this Ken with me, who's not really a Ken, but I wanted something articulated, and I couldn't find a, well, I could, but I didn't like him as much. Ken doll out for a fall ride on my bicycle. And the reason I'm doing this is because of the upcoming challenge that Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene Hough at Irene's Dolly Space and I are inviting you to join in with us. I have two black cats heading over. Can you see them in the corn here? Those are our kittens. This is our neighbor's cornfield. It's right next door to our house. Swing over so they can see. Anyway, we're going to ask you for the challenge to get out a Ken doll, take it outside, and show us a fall setting or fall sport or something that Ken might like to do outdoors. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. What's better than fall corn stalks and black cats in the fall?